target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy mochaccino. Price don't play, but I stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive. Crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion. Screens light up, holy mochaccino. Target tag, cash flows in. Smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato. Give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the close, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato. Give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino, that's the call. Yeah, arigato. Yeah, moving fast, candles whip side to side, heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move.
Hello. Hello, mic test 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's it going, guys? How's it going? Welcome. How's it going, fellow traders? What jab? What jab? All right. All right. Wow. Good afternoon, guys. How was your day this morning? How was your day this morning, guys? I'm looking at the chart and I'm like, wow, man, this morning would have been a really tough one to trade. I mean, looking pretty bullish. I mean, this is such a fake market, guys. I mean, just so much of fakes all over the place, right? So right at the start, the market looked like it wants to really rip to the upside, and all of a sudden, the market finds a way to pull back, and that pullback just kept going. Just kept going, guys. Just kept going. So imagine if you're trying to long all day, and the market kept grinding down. This would be the day where we would not see our accounts ever again. I mean, incredible, guys. What's up, guys? Kid Pork, what's going on, man? 50% consistency will screw you. Why would that 50% consistency screw you? What's up, Flavio? Miss K, ASAP Fly in the house. What's up, man? You went for a walk today. Let's go, man. What a crazy day. Absolutely, sir. Lost so much today. ASAP Fly, what's going on, man? What did you lose? Bullet. What's going on? Oh, plus what? 10K to minus 10K on personal. I see. Okay. 10 MES, May 25 in 5 minutes off the long impulse and closed it for a day. Nice, man. Good stuff. Good stuff, brother. Good job, man. Was the market easy today? I don't think so. Just based on the way it's kind of looking, like it really does not look like the market was easy by any means. Yeah, it did not look easy at all to me. Went from 129 in drawdown left to pass the eval. Oh my god, yeah. Oh, Oli Pencil, wow, good stuff, man. Yeah, so I think the market was very tough. The market was very tough. I hit DLL on several of my Apex accounts. I did not trade as much during the morning, but I did trade a few, and the few got destroyed. So I kind of got a little annoyed, and then I was like, you know what? Nah, I'm not gonna trade this anymore. One second, guys. I'm gonna have to set something up right now. Thank you guys once again for being here today. Let's try to have some fun. Let's try to have some fun, guys. I mean, it was a tough morning for sure, right? It was a tough morning. So let's try to flex our muscles, enjoy the day, and see how it kind of goes. Baby. Big belly button, man. What's going on, man? I haven't seen you in a while, sir. How you been? How's your trading going? That's what got you locked at the wick. Guys, you know that Tradovate manual lockout is really helping us as traders, right? It's really helping us a lot, right? We are now able to lock in each account. So, and that's really helping. At least that's helping me. And I'm able to lock out on accounts that I don't want to trade. It really is helping. So very grateful to see that piece of a tool available for us to lock out on a trade as when needed, guys, as when needed. What's going on, man? 7 war men in the house, man. Let's go. All right. Guys, give me a few minutes to wake up. In a bit of a sleep mode at the moment. Wake up. Yeah, so with Apex, I've always been trading the 50Ks, the 50K trading drawdown, as always, and that's what I've been trading so far. So it kind of helps, when you have a deal. When you have a deal, it kind of helps. But the thing that makes me very excited right now is honestly, it's the take profit trader. More than anything else, because I don't know if you guys noticed, but I made $1,600 yesterday, and we're about to request the payout here today, right? We're about to request the payout today, and I'm very grateful, guys. I don't know why, but something about this account that's kind of making me well, it's not that I mean, I don't know if this is a coincidence, but I keep going with this account. I had a chance to lose this account, by the way, several times, like along the way. I had a chance to lose this account along the way, but somehow magically out of nowhere, we found a way to be from red to green. I was down about $1,000 on this account, and then somehow back to green with multiple, like couple $100 back and forth, back to back, and then all of a sudden I'm up $1,600, give or take, and then did a manual lockout. I was like, I'm not trading this anymore, and that's exactly what happened. I was like, and I keep doing the same thing over and over again. Red, big red. I was down yesterday about $700, found a way to be back in green, and made about $600 to request the payout again yesterday. And today is going to be another one. I'll be requesting another one. This is going to be maybe, I don't know exact number, but I think could be about 13 day. So this could be a 13 day in a row, 12 to 13 day in a row now, where I'm doing this daily payout on one single account. So what I decided to do, guys, is that load in some 25Ks. Usually when I try to add some more evals alongside my funded account, I don't do really well as much. Okay, so I was kind of concerned about it, and that's why you guys noticed that I've only left one account to kind of trade and not add any multiple evals alongside with it. Is because we usually, when I have both side by side, I tend to screw up a little bit. So I was like, you know what, let's try to just play one account on this pro and kind of let it go. But I was like, you know what? I do also want to kind of maximize my potential and not just stick to one account. So what I decided to do is load in a few 25k eval accounts and see if I can grow those accounts slowly and build 5 take profit trader pro accounts and try to trade one side by side. We'll see how it goes, but so far that one pro account that I have has been saving me grief for the last couple weeks, and it's been amazing journey so far, I would say the least. But what's up? Are these monthly fees? No, there's no activation fee. Oh no, there's no activation fee. It's a one-time fee. There's no activation. None of these have monthly fees. The firms that I talk about all the time is Lucid, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader, Apex. None of these have monthly fees, right? None of these have monthly fees, and no activation fees, with an exception Apex. If you load in an account with an activation fee, then of course you're gonna have to pay for the activation. But even then, that's like 49 or 59. So I think Take Profit Trader 25k is probably the nicer ones. I cannot say it's the best one because every trader is different, right? So even though maybe the firm that I'm talking about has a bigger drawdown, maybe it's not working out very nicely for somebody else, and that's why I cannot say it's the best, but I can certainly tell you it's one of the better ones, right? But anyways, guys, good luck everybody if you guys are trading here today. We got about 40 more seconds to go for the day to start, and I want to thank you guys once again for being here every single day with us, guys. And I'm sorry I had to leave early yesterday. We're gonna be here longer, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with a lot of good trades, and hopefully we have got some more giveaways as well coming in today. Guys, try to show some love. Smack the like, everybody, if you can. Let's get it, guys. Good luck. All right, we are here. So the market found a way to really grind down today, hey? Really grind down. Incredible how this market just finds a way to just keep pulling everybody, including StockTiger. Jalabula. Let's go, guys. Let's get it.
Order filled.
I don't know if you guys noticed, but usually at the start of the trading session, it starts to really move. So I'm gonna try to capitalize on that. Hopefully I'm on the right side. I've got 3 contracts here. So yeah, I've got 3 contracts. Okay, so we're kind of chopping here in the range between the 782 to 765. So that's the range we have, guys, 20 points. So I want to see a little breakout. Either direction, it doesn't really matter where it's going to go. At least give me that little clarity here. Search and Saw, man. What's going on, brother? Search and Saw in the house, everybody. A big shout out to Mr. Sochanto. EL7 trader from Mexico. What's up? Un amigo. What's up? ¿Cómo estás, mío? ¿Cómo estás, mío? Is Tradeovate frozen? No, not for me. Tradeovate's working just fine for StockTiger. Thank you guys for being here. Oh yeah, look at that goo. Look at that goo. Look at that goo. Yeah, I did pass a few accounts. I think it was I passed a few. The legend I passed a while ago, so I just did not activate those accounts. The fund index is what I passed. What's up? What's up, Silverback Trader? Oh, look at that dump in the market, guys. Wow, man. This dump continues. Guys, does anybody know why we would get dumped? Why did we dump in the morning? I did not really check the news. What was the reason for a pullback, for a massive pullback? Like, literally gave all the gains back, right? It's really incredible how we are now looking pretty bearish, guys, overall. We broke underneath this very important key level, guys, on a longer time frame, right? It's longer time frame, we broke underneath that, so I'm no longer bullish in this market right at this moment. Just really take a look, guys. I drew this little trend line, and we had this little support. Every single time we try to break underneath that, we found a way to get a bounce. I mean, it's very obvious. We found a way to get a bounce, right? Very obvious. But let's draw those levels, right? We found a way to keep getting a bounce off that level every time. But finally, we broke underneath that. Finally, guys, right up here. This is where we broke. Everything just literally broke right up here, right? Now, this is on a 30-minute chart, by the way, 30-minute chart. And we broke. We finally found a way to break underneath that. And this is a big bear flag on a longer time frame. And so, well, it's going to get very interesting. I've got 3 mini contracts. I have 3 micro contracts, guys. I'm going to have a stop at the break even and see if we can actually keep pushing here down. And we keep holding this trade, guys, all the way down. And I'm trading my eval, of course. Yeah, that's right. What's up, guys? Pulverizing and no news needed. Okay, well, no news, but well, I guess no news is bad news. No news is bad news. No new, bad news. All right, I understand that. Okay, well, no news is bad news. Well, then what about if we get a good news? Well, the good news is now starting to become a bad news. Okay, all right. And I'm pretty sure my swing trading account is pretty beat up hard. Believe it or not, probably beat up hard. I can tell you that much. Okay, wow, look at that nasty pullback, guys. Woof. And I'm about to get 3 contracts. Well, good stuff, man. Good stuff, StockTiger. You the man. You the man. What a perfect trade, guys. What a perfect trade. But hey, it only has to be on one single account, guys. This is the moment I'm like, well, I should have copy traded like 20 million accounts at the same time, so I can finish the day in one go. Sometimes I kind of miss copy trading. This is the moment. This is the time. Oh, guys, I think I've got... oh, no, my payout's not approved yet. No, it's not approved. All right, so looks like we're trying to get a little bounce, guys. World champion Spain just won $50 million. Oh, really? No. Why would IRS get a cut? I don't think so. That's, well... Really? IRS would take a cut on their 50 million? That doesn't make sense to me. It does not make sense at all. That's the money from FIFA, though. Hakebula, everybody. Good morning. Well, not good morning, good afternoon. I hope you all have a great day. Guys, tell me how many of you had a great morning? Or let's say how many of you actually had a tough morning, guys. Let me know how you guys did this morning, guys.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
What's up? Thai Tea Trader. What's going on, man? Billy the Kid. What's up? Real Estate Vancouver is here in the house, everybody. Is Top Step any good? Oh man, I'm thinking about trading Top Step again, but I still do have an account with them. I still do, but I don't know what account to trade with Top Step. I don't know. You know, they should get rid of this rebuilding, by the way, man. They should get rid of that rebuilding. All right. Does Apex PA have a consistency for the buffer? I have one XFA that of course I hit a DLL and I've got like $900 drawdown, so maybe I can try to trade that on the sidelines. So this market trying to get a bounce. It looks like we may try to get a little bit of a bounce attempt, guys, before we try to roll over down again. Okay, okay. Let me see how much I'm down on my swing trading account, guys. 1 second. I should be down a lot, unfortunately. Yeah, well, not really. It's kind of break even today. Wow, not bad. But I'm down a lot of my Netflix. Down a lot. Oh, man. I'm up a lot on my Elf beauty. Crazy. Microsoft is up as well. The Siemens did get a bounce today. Yeah, it looks like the Siemens actually ended up getting a bounce, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think we probably roll over down. I'm gonna try to short it on the XFA. Looks like we're getting a nice little well, we're kind of consolidating here, but let's see if we have the juice to kind of take this thing back higher again. Maybe not. I may have to close that trade. Okay. Good afternoon. What's up? What's up? AMC is up 26%. Oh my god, yeah. So yeah. AMC and GME reminds me of this old days. Old days, right? I was a AMC shareholder when it was sitting at about six. Well, I don't know. I can't remember exactly how much it was. I think it was like $5. So it was like $5. I was a shareholder. I kind of held it to like $15, and I was like, okay, well, I think it's time to take it off. I did, and I think the AMC ended up getting a bounce into like 40 or 50 bucks, I think, or way more than that. I cannot remember exactly how much it was, but it was crazy, crazy wild. Yeah, boom, 24.45. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. I also have Elf too, and oh, by the way, I've also have SpaceX as well. I'm the biggest shareholder of SpaceX, by the way, guys. I've got biggest share, probably bigger than Elon Musk himself. Tell you that much, guys. You know how many shares I've got on SpaceX? You guys want to know? Crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. You will not believe. I've got so much. Probably the largest and the biggest shareholder of SpaceX right now. I got 4. Let's go. 4. Let's go. Yeah. I've got to say in the SpaceX, right? Anything they try to do, I've got to say on that. Damn. Well, I'm already fully loaded. Well, not really. I kind of lied. I've got like 10 grand still remaining as a cash on the sideline. So I'm using that 10K. And I'm going to try to see what is probably the best thing to do. I don't think the pullbacks are over yet. It just almost kind of feels like, we got some more, really more like a bigger wave that's kind of forming here. I'm just kind of a little nervous about that. I just don't know exactly if that's going to be like the timing. I've got to make sure the timing is right. But it just almost kind of feels like we got a bit of a bear flag here, right? We got a big, very important break off that 29K, number one, but also we broke underneath this 28,861. That was another level, and that was a break in the structure itself, right? We broke that little trend line that we drew there on the left hand side in the 30-minute chart. We completely broke out of that, right? So we may try to retest the 28,861 as a reclaim, retest, and then that fails, and we kind of roll over down again. But hey, this chart looks a little scary to me on a longer time frame. So of course we're looking at a couple of weeks from here, but it's just not looking that great, guys. Not looking that great. Not as good as I thought it's going to be. I thought today was the day where this morning could have maybe taken us back to like 30K. Could have been the day to do that, but the market really found a way to really take this thing all the way down. So sellers are extremely present in that 29K. The bulls really have no chance to get this market back up again. Incredible. But it almost kind of felt like this market may try to get a bounce today. Really, it did. Where's this morning, guys? Let's take a look. Right, we were here. The market was kind of doing this. So of course, I mean, it was looking pretty good. It was looking pretty good. Right at the start, it was actually looking pretty good. But then all of a sudden, the market found a way to give us that little nasty, constant rejection, a little bounce and rejection. Incredible, guys. And we're rolling over down again right at this moment. So I don't know. I wonder if I have to trade this. I wonder where it's going to go from here, guys. It is definitely going to get very interesting. Everybody is panicking about the explosive diarrhea. What is that? No idea what he talked about. I should have caught that bigger move on that pullback, the initial pullback we had. But the market trying to find a way to get a bounce, guys, right now. Now the market's trying to get a bounce. I got 2 micro contracts here. What is going on right now, guys? What is going on? Be careful, guys, if you're trading here. We're sitting right into the demand zone as well, so we could see a pop any moment. Possible. We could also get a flush, a little more continuation downside. Globex ASIA capitulative move. Let's go. It is possible. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce either. So that's why I've got a smaller size to kind of make sure, just in case we get a bounce, I'm getting into the better entry point. I'm kind of looking at 760 area would be the nicest spot to kind of get a better average point and try to scale into my trade a little more aggressively from there. The market trying to get a little bit of a bounce, guys. A little bit of a bounce. Okay, so that's a nice little pullback here right now. Kind of holding this. Guys, man, I'm looking for that little flush down as quickly as I possibly could. Like, just take it down one more leg. Maybe we try to get a bounce before we start to do that, maybe. Yeah, I'm YOLOing XFA account right now. On the sideline. Do you guys think the market's gonna pull back here? It is a pretty slow price action, guys. I don't know what happened all of a sudden. We're down about 1/4%. The market did look like it wants to start to move, but then all of a sudden it's kind of dead. I don't know what it is, but the market definitely seems dead at the moment. Maybe better not to try to force into a trade. This is definitely not the moment to do it, I think. Force trades, force foul. Oh, let's go. I think we'd roll over down, guys. I think maybe try to retest the low 610 area. I think probably the spot to see this market pull back into, maybe. Or maybe not. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna get rid of that. I'm down about $100 on the XFA, and here I'm up, well, $8. Great, StockTiger, you're the man. But it's too dead. I don't know what is going on right now, guys. Billy the Kid, what's going on, man? Done all for the day. Nice, man. Let's go, guys. It was that first move that we were really we definitely needed to capitalize on that big move. I didn't do that, so well, I did, but anything special about Top Step? I have no idea. What you tell me? Is there anything special about Top Step right now, guys? Anything hot? You know, anything special that's kind of making you want to move? I really don't know. I probably would still stick to the listed take profit trader, Trade and Apex. That would be my top 4. Like I said again, I've been saying this all the time. Tier 1. Yeah, Apex has been paying me a lot. Yeah, it really did. I'm very grateful, guys. Very grateful. Apex and Tech Prop Trader. Tech Prop Trader with 1 account, guys. Oh my god, you cannot, like, I still cannot believe what I just did, guys. 1 account and giving me those payments. Incredible, guys. Payments. One account. How is that even be possible, guys? 1 account. How do you do that? How in the world? Somebody help, please. Yeah, I've got to shave. I am so I've got to shave. It's poking my all over. Anyways, not going into too much details. Anyways, guys. All right, 722. 722. What am I gonna try to do? Let's take a look at the Bitcoin here for a second, guys. The Bitcoin trying to get a bounce. You know what? The Bitcoin's trying to get a bounce now, guys. What the hell? Can this market be so confusing like this, guys? Let's go back to the VIX here for a second. VIX at $18, right? The VIX trying to get a bounce. I kind of like what I see on the VIX. We're kind of overextended to the downside as when it ended up pulling back into the $15. We're sitting at $18 now, but I mean, that was a pretty nasty pullback, right? And then I thought, okay, well, the VIX may try to get a bounce. So we are at $18 now. We're hitting that resistance now, guys. Just really think about it. If we break above this $19, guys, here, if we break above that, you guys know this has a massive chance to really get this thing going, right? Really get this thing going to the 26. And I'll tell you what this kind of looks like right here. It looks like right here, guys. Looks like right here. This one right here. And another one. So many attempts like similar to that is right here. And right here as well. So we had that quite a few times. And every time we try to break above that, we did see a big explosive. Even though we kind of failed here, I drew that level and I said, okay, we may try to get a chance to get a pick into the 25, but we ended up pulling back. Now here, if we break above that here again, we also have a good chance. It's a probability, right? The probability of this kind of hitting back into 25, the likelihood of that actually happening is pretty high, right? So it could also fail like the way it did here, but I mean, just saying, we could see that happening here again, and that's what bothers me a little bit. And the market kind of looking a little fragile, so it's the SPY and the Qs really did not do much today. We literally just gave back. We had a little pop, and that was a little bit of a decade bounce, and that kind of gave all of them back, and that's really what it was. The IAWM kind of pulling back as well. The energy is kind of getting a bounce. Hold on one second. And what else do we have here? I'm kind of looking at 696. Well, that's where we broke underneath that. The Bitcoin trying to get a bounce though. Pretty interesting, guys. The Bitcoin trying to get a bounce, and of course, when the Bitcoin get a bounce, we have a bounce in the Coinbase, which is great, and the AMD, Nvidia, and all of that. Nvidia will kind of break even today, but Tesla ended up pulling back all the way down. Let's take a look at the SpaceX here for a quick second, guys, if you guys don't mind. Not SpaceX. Holy bala, guys. SpaceX down to $120, way underneath the IPO. Now, how far this is gonna go, guys? Oh my god. I told you I'm the biggest shareholder, guys. Bigger shareholder having a little trouble because the market's pulling back. That's pretty significant pullback that we're getting on the SpaceX, guys. Am I gonna be the shareholder here? I don't know. It is getting very interesting, guys. Very interesting. Okay. $60. Well, I mean, even if it's at $60, I mean, are we all not gonna be a buyer? $60? I don't know. I'll be a buyer. I wouldn't mind. It's like they let it loose on the public only to oh yeah, I mean it could be making sense, but look at this market, guys. We are literally chopping, going nowhere at the moment, guys. That's a 10 points range that we have here. Gotta be careful, guys. This is the time you gotta be careful. This is the range that can really destroy if you're trying to go long or short. So if you're on a trade, if you are picking a side at this moment and trying to short or trying to long, I mean, this could be a bad idea. Unless you're kind of trying to YOLO, one up and one down on an eval account. Okay, so we're getting a little pullback, which is great. That's exactly what I was kind of looking for. Not yet for SpaceX. Waiting for at least sub $100. We're getting pretty close to it. I mean, what difference does it make if you're kind of if you're trying to be a swing trading? Well, if you're trying to swing trade, or if you're trying to hold on to their account for 6 months, $119 or $100 really does not make any difference, to be honest. I would just buy, just kind of load in from now and then kind of like scale in as when the market starts to pull back. I could be doing that. I could see myself doing that, guys. But what a slow price action here. I think the market's kind of waiting for Mr. Tokyo back again. right? I think the market is waiting for Tokyo. We have a good amount of negative flow. Depends on how much you buy. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, best of DCA. That's right. Oh no, there we go, guys. We're breaking underneath that now. We're breaking it. Let's see if we try to hold this, guys. There could be a little fakey move, right? This market has been faking us all the time. All the time, believe it or not, guys. Wow, what a nasty rejection, guys. We are getting a pullback here. I like this bear flag. I'll be honest, guys. I kind of like it.
Order filled.
I really do. I really do like this, but let's see what sort of a fake we get here. I like this bear flag kind of forming here. This could be yet another leg, a surprise move to the downside, guys. Surprise move. I mean, we could see just try to get a bounce, you know, that may look like this and catches everybody off guard. But I think it does kind of make sense for me to try to maybe, I don't know, my entry is not that great, but I just see myself being able to hold this, you know, and see if I can hold it to 732. You know what I mean? Like there, about 30 points. So if we end up getting a bounce, I'm going to get stopped out at 734. I wouldn't mind doing that. I do see a bear flag here, guys. Kind of like this for a push into the 670, and that could be the next level, guys. This could be the chance for me to try to take a stab and see if I can capitalize on this move that may potentially work out. The probability is there. I'm gonna be looking for that. Okay. 750. It's not going down any further. Minu, what's up? What's going on, brother? Long time. What if it does? Anything is possible. All right. Either this or maybe We try to get a little bounce, and then we get rejection. We end up pulling back. At some point, I think we break it down. We may get a little bit of a false break to the upside here, and maybe that's gonna give us that shorting opportunity. I'm gonna scale in, guys. I got 6 contracts. I'm gonna maybe try to, well, I wouldn't want to say a full port, but I mean, I am going to definitely be a little more aggressive into this trade as we are trying to get through this. Okay. Yeah, we're not getting much move at the moment. There we go. There we go. Bounce. Bounce it was. Yeah, what is going on in the market, everybody? What in the world is going on with the market? What did you guys do to the market, guys? The market just absolutely lost some steam. Absolutely lost some steam here. We've lost the steam. And got a little rejection off the VWAP, but it's still a very slow price action so far, guys. I mean, really nothing there at the moment. What's up, Bowser Trader? You think it's a slow market? Gonna let you hold a short. It is a buy or sell. That's right, buy or sell. It's moving so slow. Yeah, I know. It's playing the VWAP like a, yeah, I know. We could turn out to well, we could see this market get a bounce as well. So I would not be surprised if we end up getting a bounce too. I you know, I have that in mind too, of course. But I just kind of like it better down for the downside. Maybe we try to get a bounce before we try to pull back. But overall, from a grand scheme of things, I still prefer down. But we'll see. We are kind of overextended down though, right? We are kind of overextended. It does tell me we're kind of oversold on a bigger time frame, both, and on a smaller time frame as well from an RSI standpoint. RSI sitting at 25 on the 30 minutes chart. So I'm in a trade, but it's kind of murky. I'll be honest. It could go either direction. That's what I said. I mean, it's going to be hard trying to go long and short, but I'm just kind of putting a little bit of a bet on the on a chance to see this thing pull back into 670 at some point. Maybe we try to get a bounce. I don't know how much of a bounce we're gonna get, but we'll see. I'm taking a chance though. We'll see how it kind of plays out, everybody. In the meantime, I'm gonna have my bread. $7.20. Oh, by the way, Yeah, we could. Yeah. Yeah, we have a chance of doing that too. I agree. Wow, what a chop here, guys. Really incredible. Anybody getting a bigger payout this month, guys? Oh, this month is the biggest month. Anybody let me know? A biggest month of the year. Oh, this is like the worst month of the year. Anybody having a special moment? Yeah, man, this is... Guys, we're not moving at all. Forget about this market for now, guys. Incredible. Incredible. Globex, you to sleep, then it hits you over the head. I know it does that all the time. It hits in the head all the time, guys. This is what the Globex is all about. It sleeps for about about an hour, and then it's like a big fat red candle on a big fat green candle. There we go, guys. We're getting a nice little break to the upside. There we go. There we go. Why am I happy about this? Why are you happy about this, StockTiger? Crazy stuff, man. We're getting this nice little move to the upside, guys, right now. Mr. Barona, when you say today, today meaning Globex and Tokyo, Asia session in general. I think that's what I meant. Off 15,000 if was up more other months. Wow, Mr. Supakila, good job, bro. That's a pretty good deal right there. Alfred Haywood in the house says he's made millions of dollars this month, and he's gonna be getting his first ever Lamborghini tomorrow. Let's go, Alfred. Good job, brother. Good job. Nepali says, if I make my target in Asia, I don't trade. Well, that's nice. Depends. If you only got one account, then yes. But if you got like 10 accounts and you got your profit target on one, then hey, you got to trade the rest, right? At some point. I've been trading London more actively lately in the last 1 week or so. And I tell you what, man, the London is just horrible. But somehow, magically out of nowhere, guys, I'm going to be very honest, guys. London session is horrible. I don't like it. But believe it or not, bulk of the profits that I made on my Take Profit Trader Pro account that I've been taking daily payouts, and this could be my 13th day in a row. That account, I've been only trading. Somebody mentioned, try trading that account in the morning in New York. You're going to get destroyed. But thinking about it right now, guys, I don't think I've traded that account ever in that 13 days of trading. I did not trade that account in the morning. All I did was trade that account in London, in Asia. That's all I did. Late night into London, guys. And I only realized that now after somebody mentioning that on the chat. And like, oh my God, that's unbelievable, right? Even though I kind of hate London session a lot now. I don't like it at all, by the way. But man, that's crazy sometimes, guys. Crazy. I don't know how it's possible, but hey, somehow I made it happen. Somehow. 50. Can I take the first withdrawal? Apex is knowing with the $1,500 drawdown. How much can I take in the first withdrawal? You can take as much as you want. You can take 10 grand. Bailey Castaway. I think minimum 10 grand. I max 10 grand. I think on a single account. Tiger Fawn is money glitch. Glitcha MVP. Mickey in the house. In the bosa. Bowser trades Thursday. You day 12. Friday you sit 11. Yeah, I don't know exactly. Between 10 to 13 for sure. I think it's 11th day because when I did the math on that, let's take a look. Well, it's irrelevant to be honest, but so when did I post that on when I posted on my community tab last week? I think that was probably that's the right number. So that was yeah, so that's 3 days ago, right? Yeah, that's 3 days ago. So that was an 8th, and then so we got 9th and 10th. 9th and 10th? 8th and then 9th and 10th. Yeah, so this is the 10th payout. Yeah, to be exact now. It's a 10th payout because it was 8th day in a row 3 days ago, and then I had 2 more payouts after that. And this is the 10th one. This one here, 28,109. This is a $1,600 payout. Right, so this is gonna be my 10th payout. Okay. Yeah, sorry, man. My Mac is mathing sometimes. Okay, so we're getting a pullback here. We're getting a little pullback here. Let's see if we can actually get a little bit of a push into the 670s. Why is take profit trader weird? Why? You just can't get past. Hey, it happens to all of us. I mean, for some, for majority, some of these firms are kind of like very easy to trade, but for some it's not. So how much did the account cost? It cost what, $90 for the 25K account. Andre, how come you never win a free account? Well, that's what everybody's saying. That's what everybody else is saying. But hey, we've given so many accounts, by the way. We've given so many accounts. How come you never get lucky, Andre? What's the problem? You tell me. You tell me, brother. I'm here to help. Root C, Dan Berry, what's going on, man? You never win as well? What? Nepali's been watching for... Well, Nepali, I've only seen you like a month. You're telling me you've been watching me for about a year. You're a liar. Oh my god. It's rigged. Let's go. I'm down a lot. Yeah, I'm down a lot on me. Swing trading account. Well, it was kind of okay today. It looks like it, but I'm down a lot in the last couple of days overall. Down about $1,000 in my swing trading account. I'd rather look at the setups and pass my accounts than to get a free ones. Then 1K to pass. Nice, let's go. Johnny buys the land. Let's go, man. Great attitude. Attitude. Yeah, MVP goes. Let's go, man. You've been fan of Tiger for about 17 years. Let's go. Booyah in the house. But I mean, putting all the jokes aside for now, but I mean, really, are you guys happy with everything that's going on this month? Anybody having, you know, all the, uh, all of you having a decent month or kind of satisfied? I hope none of you guys are having a tough, crazy, a bad, you know what I mean? Bad month. I hope everything's kind of working out nicely for you guys, man. I really hope. Yeah, I haven't been able to chat on Discord too actively in the last couple weeks. I'm sorry about that. I will be back in action pretty soon, so it's kind of refreshing here. So that's my 4 funded accounts with the 4 funded accounts. The legend trading. And here I am, guys. 6 micro contracts. 6 micro contracts here. I am short, but I don't know, man. It just kind of feels like we try to get a bounce maybe at some point. But the market's pretty dead at the moment, guys. The market's pretty dead. I mean, I've seen this chart kind of plenty of times before in the past, but I mean, every time we have this sort of chop, we end up getting a bounce. It's done that before, so that's what kind of bothers me a little bit. We'll see, though. We'll see what happens here. I could be absolutely wrong on this. Let's take a look at how did everybody do. It's been a tough month for Versa Trades. Versa Trades, man. How you been, bro? I haven't seen you in a while, eh? You've been around, though? Like, you've been trading actively? Wow, I cannot believe how dead this market is, guys. Believe it or not, this market is absolutely dead. You're okay? Versa Trades? Okay, nice, man. You've been over trading? Oh, I see. Okay. Yeah, I've been over trading. It's crazy. Yeah, the market has obviously been tough. The market's been tough, guys. So it's you know it's. I mean, we're not here to be blamed. The market has been tough. The market has been tough. So it's only over trading if you lose. I mean, yeah. I mean, nobody wants to lose, but you know, at some point we're gonna lose, whether we like it or not. Being on the wrong side for whatever reason it may be, and then you know it in a spiral after that, right? Things get worse and worse when things are not starting to work out. When things are working out, it's way better. But of course, I mean, not every time it's going to be that way. You think it's going to. 1 minute, guys. I'm just signing off an agreement with the funded next for the past account. What is 2 minutes? Yeah, I'm gonna be loading in Lucid accounts now. That's gonna be 25k accounts. 25k accounts. The only problem is that 25k accounts, you end up losing that accounts pretty quickly if you're on the wrong side. One little mistake on the wrong side, that 25k account's gone. It's hard for me. I'll be honest, guys. I've been having a tough time lately in a way. Not that I've been trading bad by any means, but the trying to downsize on a 25k account, I'm having a tough time to try to do that. So if I'm going with the 1 minute contract on 50k account, I'm doing equally the same on a 25s, which obviously really should not be the case, right? You gotta have to be downsizing on that 25k account because you got a smaller drawdown to kind of work with. But I'm still using the same 1 minute contract. So if things turn out to be pretty decent for me, then of course that 25k is going to start to shine. But if not, then of course everything's gonna get whacked, right? And a good example is that Take Profit Trader Pro account that I was trading. Luckily, I am doing a lot of scaling in, so it's like I test the water with couple micros, and then I'm attacking that trade, going a lot aggressive. But at some point, I'm gonna get to 10 micro or 50 micro. Which technically I should be at most 5 micro, but I'm just not doing that. So I don't know. I just find it tough, and I don't know if that's really the way to go for me. Maybe I'll just end up trading the way I am with whether it's 25k or 50k. Probably just end up trading the same, equally as much as contracts. I mean, and not try to adjust, because adjusting my contract size based on the account size, I'm having a tough time to do that, and I do not want to be adjusting the way I trade at the moment, because it's still kind of working out. You know what I mean? You don't really have to try to change something that's kind of working out for you. Blow, it gets new one. It's easy to pass 25. Yeah, it's easy to pass, but also equally as easy to fail, and of course end up blowing your funded account that of course it took you a few days to pass. You know what I mean? So I don't know. Long for NQ. Let's go, man. Favorite AI is long. So oh my man, guys, man, the market is absolutely dead. Like, think about it, guys. Since we started the day, we had this big fat move to the downside, and we've been just literally chopping all throughout the day. We've been just chopping all throughout the day, guys. The market looking a little weak, but of course Globex has been a good example of that initial chop, and then we get a big fat pop out of nowhere. This is the problem with the Asian market. Out of nowhere we get a pop or we get a break. So it looks like he's trying to get a little balanced attempt here, to be honest. I may try to get out of this trade. Not really feeling that comfortable with this right now, but I don't know. Where do I see this market going? I'm not entirely sure, guys. I mean, anything is possible, to be honest, guys. Look at that. I knew it. We saw that coming. Like on a 30-minute chart, looks like the market trying to hold, guys. Look at that. Yes, I'm gonna hold it once again. I'm just gonna get rid of my stop. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of my stop, and let's hold it. How many more minutes do we have here for Globex? Sorry, the Asia. We got about an hour, so we still have quite a time. Do we have any news coming up pretty soon here? Let's take a look and see. We don't really have much coming out today. Okay, so we are getting a nice little pop to the upside. What am I gonna try to do is maybe just holding. I'm still holding, guys. I could definitely be on the wrong side, I agree. I've got 6 contracts, right? So maybe try to hold this.
Order submitted.
Put a hard stop here into the 743 maybe. It cannot go down forever. I mean, yeah, but I mean that's the same thing we said. You cannot keep going up for the last couple months, and all we did was just keep pushing higher, higher, higher. Every time we said, okay, well, we gotta get a pullback, it kept going higher and higher, guys. More highs every time we expect this market to give us a pullback. And here we go, guys. We're getting a nice little pop to the upside. Incredible. Incredible. Okay, so I've got a hot stop here, 743. Okay, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out right here, guys. I could be stopped out right now. Man, I've seen this over and over again, and well, all right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this trade right here.
Order
Okay,
filled.
Order
I
filled.
got out of the trade. Wow, what a bounce, guys! What a bounce! We should have seen that coming. dog is really annoying. So we got this back above 750, guys. Over 750. No, I don't have the legacy account anymore. G and Park, I don't. Wow. I mean, this is just not gonna give me a chance to get in, right? Anymore. Or maybe it will. Well, this is gonna be a chase at this point. Crazy stuff, man.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order rejected.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submit. Order
filled. Order filled.
If I went long, this would have popped. Now that I'm trying to show guys, this market is not finding a way to pull back. Incredible. Isn't that incredible?
Order
filled.
You see, I mean, remember when we talked about somebody copy trading your accounts? Incredible, guys. Incredible. I think that's real. Somebody's
filled.
definitely copy trading your accounts.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled.
Because I went short. What a balance though. Incredible. And we talked about the pop, the surprise pop that we may try to get in the market, and we actually got it. And it almost kind of felt like we were gonna be getting something like that today. And I just kind of ignored the fact that it's definitely possible, which is fine.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
Well, it's not really,
Order
but
submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Alright guys, I've got a hard stop just to kind of make sure I don't get destroyed on this account. I've got a hard stop here right at about 772. So I'm gonna take it
Order
off.
submitted.
If we end up if we end up getting a balance, I'm gonna cut it loose at 770 area. And I'm gonna try to see if I can take a bulk positions off the table at about 750 area as well. So there we go, guys. There we go. I wouldn't say it's the best account, Albert Johnson. I mean, it definitely is one of the better ones. If you're looking for the 25s, or if you're looking to, if you're one of these traders where you kind of like the smaller size, like if you trade on a smaller size, like a couple micro contracts, if you kind of enjoy doing that, and if you're looking to really try to pass an account with a slightly bigger drawdown, then 25s take profit trade is definitely the way to go, because you got a $1,500 drawdown versus everything else. Like TradingFi's got 1,000, Lucid's got 1,000, and Apex, I'm not sure. I never traded 25k on the Apex. I'm not sure. Guys, we get a little bounce here. This is what I was kind of talking about. God, you gotta be kidding, guys. Really?
Order filled.
Well, there we go. I got
filled.
stopped out right there, guys. Got stopped out, man. StockTiger loves getting stopped out right there, guys. 567, incredible. Guys, man, this is a pretty solid bounce we're getting here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
This market loves taking me out. Loves taking me out, guys. I think this market really enjoys doing that.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order
submitted.
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So we get a pullback here. Back into 740s, guys.
Order filled.
Order filled.
740s. Pull back into 740s. Let's see if that's going to be something possible. This market Globex, guys, are knowing the hell out of me right now. Let's make some good trades if we can. John 4416 would be 27k NQ. Well, I mean, that's gonna, well, I mean, I don't know. Whoa, look at that pop, guys. That's a literally 15 points pop right there. Right at the bat. Bounce off that EMA, guys. I'm gonna exit this trade right there, guys. I'm gonna exit that trade.
Filled.
God, man. Oh. I guess I need some more coffee. I think that's really what it is. What do you guys think? There's a lot of raining. Everything's kind of pouring down. A lot of rain means the bears are present. The bears are trying to put this market down. Do we go ahead and do some giveaways here today? Let's go ahead and do that, guys. Let's guys, try to show some love. We don't get a lot of love lately. I don't know why. There's no mucho love. Oh, guys, look at this market ripped to the upside, guys, man. Oh, this market always finds a way to do that, guys. Always finds a way. Do I try to chase this?
Order filled.
StockTiger is chasing right now, guys. Chaser. Chaser. We're going to see everybody come out and say, StockTiger is chasing. He's the biggest chaser. I love chasing. Now leave me alone. Leave me alone, everybody. I love chasing. I'm already declaring. My middle name is Stock Chase Tiger. Now leave me alone. Guys, man, look at this pump in the market, guys, man. Incredible. I mean, either Asia makes it look like it's the end of the world, or the Asia makes it sound like, okay, well, the bottom is in. And I missed the whole move to the upside here, right? Thinking that I'm looking for the extra leg to the downside. I mean, that's literally when you have that sort of a mindset, you end up kind of losing out, and it's hard to kind of move your bias back to long. Immediately thereafter, you're gonna have to kind of wait, but then by the time you try to wait, the market's already up 100 points. So it's and the market has been very violent lately, right? You get these big moves very quickly. It does not really give you a lot of chance to kind of think about to get into a trade. And if you're trying to go long, it's already a little too late. You're late to the party because the market's already up quite a lot. Nura Hone X, Uncle Tiger, stop making bad jokes. Okay, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. So mean. Getting heartbroken. All right, back into the 804, guys, man. The market's trying to get a bounce. I mean, that's crazy. Really annoying. Hey, what's that got to do with StockTiger, Andre? What's that got to do with StockTiger? Well, what a rip in the market, guys. Man, I got absolutely, well, not absolutely. I'm only down about $500, but and on an eval too, so. Wow, it keeps going, guys. Because I want a smaller size, 1 micro, you see this market kind of ripped to the upside. What a bounce in the market, guys. Man, I mean, crazy stuff, man. Crazy stuff. The kind of moves that we get here sometimes. We're already up. We're already up, guys. And that's 100 points pump to the upside. Well, welcome to the party. No, I'll be kind of chasing here all the way. Crazy stuff. It looks like a reversal to me. It looks like a reversal to me here. Wow, man, just gonna keep going? Is that really what it is? It's gotta try to do? Oh, wow. Crazy stuff, guys. I mean, I don't know, man. we're kind of overextended to the downside. Got RSI on a longer time frame. We talked about how we were kind of oversold, and I was still looking for that little one more leg to the downside. Of course, was a kind of a mistake on my part. Do you hate yourself sometimes? Of course I do. Everybody does that. Everybody hates it sometimes. Now that we're actually getting a bounce, I mean, it is going to be tough to try to get back to 29, to be honest. I mean, unless we're getting some breaking news from the Middle East, really, right? We could. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we end up getting back to 29 as well. It almost kind of feels like this, right? We ended up pulling back pretty hard, and we ended up getting a bounce as well. And believe it or not, guys, that was right into the Asia. We did this into Asia, guys. Right? That was about how many percent? Right? Now it's a 50% retrace back higher again, 23.6. So let's just say here. We hit the high at 29,120. Let's say maybe we could retrace. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. You're right. We could try to retrace back to 29. Or for all you know, but I mean, but can we get some kind of a pullback? I mean, this is a pretty significant bounce though. So I don't think this is one set and done. This kind of a bounce that we get here usually would mean that we got a little more leg to the upside, usually, right? But we also hit in that resistance at 807 as well. We just got above, but we may try to pull back a little bit, maybe, before we try to get another leg to the upside, right? Because see this, and we end up getting a bounce back again. Possible. What's up, Boy Pablo in the house? Senora Tiger la. Song. Hello. We're at about 75% of the swing. That's reversal level. Yep. Man, I mean, the market has been tough. Yeah. We just gotta have to, find a way to navigate through this, right? If you're gonna try to, if you're trying to catch the whole entire move, that is the worst thing that could ever happen to you. If you're trying to catch the whole entire move. I mean, I wouldn't want to ever try to do that. Trying to catch the bottom, trying to catch the top, right? That's probably the biggest mistake we could do as a trader. What's up, Black Mama in the house, man? What's going on, man? I haven't seen you in a long time. What the flicky were you? Yeah, I hit some DLLs on my Apex early in the morning, and during the pre-market. I think I was streaming live. That's when I hit one DLL, and I kind of got a few more DLL hit. So I'm gonna have to load in some accounts, maybe just in case we end up blowing that accounts in the next couple of days or so. So I'm gonna try to see if I can, I don't know, try to load some more accounts with Apex just in case. I may try the 150s, the 150 trailing drawdown, because the 150 trailing drawdown, even though it's kind of like 49, the eval, I think 45. It's only like versus the 50k trailing, it's only like $20 more. You're paying $20 more, but then the activation, guys, the activation on all the trailing drawdown accounts, regardless of the account size, they're all down to 59. So you're paying $59 for all intraday PA accounts, and the biggest account we have on a trailing drawdown are the 150s on the Apex, and that's what I'm going to be using. Maybe I'll try to load in a few, not much, because I still have 19 accounts with them. So, but just in case I end up losing those accounts that I hit DLL in the last a day or so, I may have to load in some accounts as a backup just to kind of make sure I'm in the game. Wow. Crazy. It keeps going, guys. Keeps going.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Is it gonna keep going? Well, oh.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I'm gonna put a hot stop just in
Order
case.
submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, no pullback.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
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 Order filled.
I mean, we can't even pull back into the 810s. Like, you're really kidding me?
Order filled.
Not even to 810.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
All right, trading my stop to break even here. I'm looking for that one more push into the 800, guys. 800 push.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, see what happens now. No, I was long, but I flipped to short. looking for that little push down, even though overall the structure is still looking to the upside on a shorter time frame. On a longer time frame, just kind of feels like a bit of a decade bounce, but on a shorter time frame, looks like we may try to pull back here, right? I mean, maybe we try to get a bounce into 860s at most, but then that kind of fade and we end up pulling back maybe. I don't know. Just kind of feels a little more still. The structure on a longer time frame still looking bearish, but shorter time frame, maybe we have a little more room to the upside until everything kind of breaks. If we get above 28,900 area, and if that level holds, then yeah, I think we have a clear trend to the upside, of course. But until we get there, I just kind of gonna try to see if I can try to short the market on any given pops. But this is a pretty significant pop that we actually got. This is a 100 points pop that we got from the low. So I mean, I don't know if this is going to be merely a one-time and said and done. We probably have just a little more room, maybe. It's not. I don't know if this is going to be the measured move right all the way. I don't know if that's the case. You know what I mean? Like another one here may not be the one. I could see this thing get try to do something like that though, right? Give us the little pullback and then maybe, and then try to give us the bounce maybe.
Filled.
But that only depends. We've got to hold the 790 as well. If we can't hold the 790, then we probably have a good chance of pulling back into the view up, and then maybe or roll over down, try to retest the low, right? So got to be really careful, guys. It is dicey. The market looks very fragile. Anything's possible in this market, guys.
Order
filled.
Yeah, the short, yeah. Any pullback here could get a bounce. Yeah, I mean, not gonna lie. Yeah, it is very much possible. But it's been a difficult trade today. I'm gonna have to be honest, guys. It definitely been a difficult trade. It's not been easy, and I still have yet to get. Well, of course, I'm not gonna get approved because I have not requested a payout on the Take Profit Twitter. Yeah, I've not requested a payout because it's got to update because I got this profit during the London session last night, so of course, right, I had to wait like 12 hours right into tonight to request a payout, but it's still not updated. So the dashboard's still not updated. So once it updates, I'm gonna request. And usually, Take Profit Trader guys, if you request a payout, once the dashboard updates during the Asia market. Say you requested during the Asian market, it usually gets approved in like 3 hours or so, as you get closer to the late night, right? Oh, really? I haven't seen any emails come out. Do you have any emails? Really? What is it about? No, I haven't seen any of that. No, I haven't seen any emails from Take Profit Trader. Did you read the emails from Take Profit Trader that they will fasten the withdrawal process? Also, Tradevate accounts should update 2 hours early. Oh, nice. Oh, I haven't seen that email. I guess I'm not important anymore. StockTiger not important anymore. I guess that's really what it is, guys. Too bad. None anymore la. Dila. Kalamula. Oh, really? Okay. So, I have no idea really what it is. Oh, I see. That's an email we got a few days ago. So, traders, we got some exciting news to start off the week. That's from Take Profit Trader, guys. Take Profit Trader. Right, that's an email we got from Take Profit Trader. We got some exciting news to start off the week. Accounts to the wallet processing is now fully automated for Tradevate's Pro accounts. Let's go! But hey, Wow, which means withdrawals now hit your wallet in a second instead of hours. Let's go, guys, man. Please simply submit your request. It clears in a second. Wow, guys, that is huge. Guys, that's a huge deal. Take profit trader, guys. You know, you guys know how much it's been a bit of a challenge where we kind of request a payout and we forget that it's actually approved, because a lot of other firms do approve in a second, right? So when you have take profit trader do that, already a super duper one of my, well, not one of my, it is one of my, well, why do I keep saying one of my? It is my favorite firm, right? Do this changes, I mean, that's really incredible. And then on top of that, guys, before in the past, you know, the problem that we had was when we request a payout, we are kind of assuming that it's approved, and you end up trading that account and it's still not approved, and you trade that account, you get into a bad trade and you kind of go down below that threshold, and you lost all that profit that you requested a payout, and you end up blowing that account because you kind of got pissed because you thought it got approved, but it's not, right? These are some of the challenges that we as a trader, we went through, including myself. I went through that all the time. And here we are, guys. That's going to get in a second. That's amazing. That kind of gives you that confidence to kind of trade that account again right after you request the payout, which is great. So no manual review, no approval queue, no long trading pause. Absolutely, sir. I love it. We also updated the dashboard balances approximately 2 hours early, around 8 to 9 o'clock in the evening. So you can begin withdrawal process sooner. Let's go. Yes. I love it. I love it, guys. That's amazing, guy. That's amazing, guy, everybody. That is a huge deal, by the way, man. I thought Lucid is your favorite. No, you see, like I said again, my top four, I like them both, all of them, right? I don't really have, like, I've been saying I don't have the number one because they all equally as good for me, like so far. So we got Lucid, we got Take Profit Trader, Apex, and then Tradeify. And these are my tier ones. And yeah, those are the ones I'm going to take it very seriously, of course, to trade. And those changes to their dashboard and the withdrawal process is really going to help a lot of traders, in my opinion. In my humble opinion, guys. You ever tried Blue Sky? I did not. I didn't try Blue Sky ever. Do I intend to trade Blue Sky? I may think about it. Depends. I'm gonna have to take a look at the accounts, how much I'm paying for those accounts, right? Always the benchmark for me is Lucid, Take Profit Trader, Apex, and you know, Tradeify, right? These are my benchmark, right? So I'm gonna be obviously comparing these with these Blue Skies with these firms that we obviously trade as a tier one.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, just because it's cheap does not make the account better, unfortunately. And that's just the reality, guys. I mean, see, Blue Sky is good. Min-Max, man, how's your trades going? How you doing? Their daily is pretty close to Take Profit Trader, but I mean, that's the same thing with Trade Day, right? Trade Day's got the same daily payouts, pretty close to Take Profit Trader, but I think Trade Day is I don't know, at least to me, I definitely did get rug pulled from Trade Day, so I'm not gonna be trading Trade Day anymore. Absolutely pissed me off, man. I had $18,000 of profit on that accounts. They're all gone. You got Art last week, but trying to stick to the old rules. Yeah, base hits. I know, man. The base hits, man. Sometimes it's really hard to do that, but hey. You see, this is the problem, right? I mean, a lot of firms now coming out with the daily payouts, but you know, when you request a payout, you know, that's when, you know, their true color kind of shows up.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Whoa! Oh!
Stop filled.
Guys, what happened? Guys, what did I do? Guys, what's going on? I mean, if you're looking for a bigger size, I almost kind of feel like Apex is probably the best deal so far. I mean, honestly, I mean, nothing comes close in my opinion at the moment. The 150s, Apex is definitely by far the better one. Apex is really going aggressive. I think the deals that we have with Apex, it's no brainer at the moment, to be honest. No matter what we try to say, it's yeah. I mean, the 150s, if you're looking for the bigger size. And if you're looking for 25Ks, I don't know. I don't think so. But I mean, the 50K trading drawdown, definitely. And the 150s are like, it's no brainer at all. Like every other firm, the 150s are like pretty expensive, right? Pretty expensive. Did you blow those legends? No, I have those legend accounts. These are my legend accounts I have here. These are all funded accounts I have, legend. Right, these are all funded accounts that I have, so. Okay, no, Mike is trying to get a bounce. Oh, the 251s, yeah, I blew, yeah, I had one funded account and I ended up blowing thanks to StockTiger going with 27 mini contracts. Yes, that's why I'm telling you, that's why I love these firms with those contract size. I love it. I think one of the reasons somebody's got to stop me from oversizing 27 mini contract. Hey, at least I'm being honest, man. Don't blame me. It's not me who allowed 27 mini contracts. Don't blame me. You know, I mean, I was just kind of tempted to try 27 mini contracts. It's been a long time since I've actually traded with 27 mini contracts, right? So it's kind of like just makes you feel good sometimes. You know what I mean? If you know what I mean. Oh my god. No, but you know what? I shouldn't have done that though, because you know what? That's the account that I wanted to keep it for long, but I don't know, for some reason I was like, you know what? I want to full pot that bad boy. I don't know why. There must have been a reason. I don't know exactly what the reason was, but I said I want to full pot that account, and unfortunately I did that. What's funny is that I was up. I think I was up about 10K. By the way, putting all the jokes aside, I think I was like 10K up, and because of trailing drawdown, of course. And that's the thing, right? You got to be careful, because if you're oversizing with trailing drawdown accounts, that accounts can go pretty quickly. I'll tell you why. Because even if you up 10K unrealized gain, that's a bigger problem. You're kind of going to, well, I've got $10,000 of profit. I can be up, but in a matter of a second, that 10,000 profit turns out to be negative $5,000 or even $3,000, right? And you obviously end up blowing that account. But it's so quick because you got 27 mini contracts. You don't have a chance to kind of get in and get out, right? Try to peel your profits along the way when you're up, because blink of an eye, it went 10 grand. And then blink of an eye again, it went down negative 3,000, right? So as soon as it went down to 3,000, of course, because of the trailing drawdown, all your unrealized gain are actually negative profits, right? So you end up blowing that account easily. And that's really what it is. Oh man, look at this stupid market, guys. Really annoying the hell out of me, man. We're getting a dump. Wow. And you know what? I was
Order.
freaking
Order
short.
filled.
Oh
Order.
my
Order
god.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Are you kidding me, guys? Is this what we are going to try to get here? Like I said again, on a shorter time frame, looked a little more bullish, but on a longer time frame, still bearish overall. So be careful, guys, if you guys trading here right now. What size take profit trader do you recommend? It depends what sort of trader you are, Flavio. If you are an aggressive trader and you've been trading 50K accounts all the time, then you may try to go, just continue trading with the 50Ks. But, if you're okay to, kind of try to downsize and, if you're looking to try to pass the account a little bit faster and see if you can actually get to the buffer sooner, then maybe 25K is the way to go, because it's going to save you, well, you kind of save about $20, give or take. But I mean, Tiger, how's Blue Sky prop firm? Well, Min-Max Infinity says it's pretty good, so hey, I guess you guys can use the code Tiger. I've got a code with Blue Sky as well myself, but I've not been I've not been promoting at all. But I could be trading Blue Sky. We'll see. Some of my fellow traders who I have absolute confidence with, Min-Max Infinity telling me it's a good a good firm to trade. I'm gonna have to think about it, right? I'm very open-minded. They're all the same. They're all the same, guys. The code is Tiger, Tiger, across all the firms. Sorry, guys. Something got stuck in my throat. Crazy little volatility, man. Crazy little volatility. What a fake, man. So much of fakes and so much up and downs and like, fuck. Annoying the hell out of me. Chikimura. We got Tokyo in about 7 minutes. Who cares about Tokyo? Nobody cares about Tokyo anymore. Nobody cares about Tokyo anymore. We only care about SK Hynix. That's all that matters. Wow. Literally giving all the gains back.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, it almost kind of feels like we are going to be breaking down. Let's wait and see, guys. Tokyo, let's try to see what Tokyo brings to the table. And Ash May Dylan, what's going on? Billy the Kid, what's up? Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys, if you guys want to support the channel. Thank you so much to all of you. Truly means the world. Thank you so much to all of you guys for doing that. While we wait for Tokyo, guys, if you guys enjoy what you guys see here every single night, try to show some love. Thank you, everybody, for doing that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
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 Order sub. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Orders. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh, fuck me, man. Seriously.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh, we got Tokyo?
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Orders. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order cancelled. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order cancelled.
What a nasty price session, guys. I mean, honestly, What a nasty price action.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Alright, guys, I'm out.
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order
filled. Order filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted.
All right. Wow, what a pullback here in the market, guys. Every little pop was a rejection. We literally gave back all the gains that the market made. Incredible. The 100 points, the amounts we had, literally giving all of that back, right, to the market. I'm gonna try to short the pop. Every pop that we get here, guys, I'm gonna try to short. Well, you know what? To kind of feel like I'm on the wrong side, I do have to see this market get above 780 area. So until we try to do that, I'm gonna try to continue shorting the pop.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
filled.
Oh.
Order submitted. Order
filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I've got 9 contracts here, and looking for that retest of the low at 700 area. That's the
Order.
retest I'm looking for.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
Nice
filled.
to the push down. I still have 5 last piece contracts. So so now I'm gonna move my stop, guys. I'm gonna move my stop to say
Order submitted.
well, it's kind of hard to say. I don't know. Well, maybe not. Just gonna
Order
keep
canc-
adding some
order.
more.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submit. Order
Order
I've got
filled.
6 last piece, guys. I'm gonna hold this last 5 now. Into the VWAP. Okay, so this is my stop's
Order
gonna be at
submitted.
766, right where the VWAP is, and maybe just a little above that. Well, we could try to get a rebound for sure, but I'm kind of leaning more to the downside now. And I'm looking for this account to be like $700 in total profits by the time it's kind of said and done. We'll see if that kind of plays out. Just put tariffs on Canada. Trump just put a tariff in Canada. I mean, I thought that's old news, no? And guys,
Order
nice little break to the
filled. Order filled.
downside. Bear
Order.
flag
Order
pushing
filled.
here. 3 last piece, guys. I'm gonna be holding this last 3 piece.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna be looking to see if you get a little bit of fall through. It is just on CNBC. Well, kind of a mixed bag here. Kind of a mixed bag. I hit DLL. Well, not DLL. I lost that account there. But I did pretty well on these 2 accounts. And we got 2 more accounts. I want to be trading those and see how it kind of plays out. I'm okay to lose that 1 account if I can be green on everything else. Okay, looking for that fall through, guys. An extended move here. Okay, so we get a little break. Looks like the market trying to get a little bit of a rebound off that low, guys. That's a swing low here at 700 area. We almost tapped into the 700. The market trying to get a little bit of a bounce, which I kind of feel like maybe it's possible into the VWAP. But hey, the bears are in control right at this moment, and every little pop that we get is becoming a shorting opportunity, in my opinion. But hey, a lot of things can change. But man, that rip and a dump. And that's a good 100 points, a rip to the upside, and a good 100 points dump to the downside. And literally the whole entire move that we had to the upside is all given back now. And we are back to where we were during the Globex, believe it or not. And this is something that I get a little annoyed sometimes, especially when you, you know, just kind of lose one of your accounts on that big move to the upside, and then literally next thing you know, in the next couple of minutes, it's kind of coming back to where, you know, where it started. So I don't know. Okay, so we are down here, back down to the 717. I'm holding this last three piece. Like I said again, guys, if we break underneath the 700, that we've been calling out pretty nicely, right? So it's just my execution part that has been kind of lacking, but the calls that we made has been pretty significant, right? Is it a coincidence that we said, okay, well, 700 is going to be a pretty important area. If you break underneath that, then we see this thing get back down to 60, 70. We did not do it on the first attempt. The market decided to get a bounce and, you know, kind of give that bit of a disappointment for the bears, but it's now back to where we started, and now it just kind of feels like we're retesting that low. You know, every time you try to retest that low quite a few times, eventually it breaks, and maybe this is the time it's gonna try to do that. Maybe it's this time, we'll see. We tried 1, 2, 3, 4. We tried 4 times to try to break underneath this key level, and we couldn't do it. Is this the moment where we're gonna try to break that? Is this the moment we are going to try to break that, guys? We could. If we break that, I think we flush pretty quickly here into the 670s, right? And that's what it's going to be. And if we can't hold that level, then guys, man, good luck everybody for the bulls. But hey, who knows? We could just chop around as well, so. Yeah. Big belly button. What's FNF? Funded next, or is it funded next features? $3,200. Wow, your rapid account doing the Globex in Tokyo. Really, sometimes, you know, you're kind of thinking, okay, well, that's really all we need sometimes. Globex in Tokyo is all we need, I guess. It was pretty awful in the morning. Thank God I was not even part of that. But it was awful this morning. Funded next features. Oh, okay, I see. No, it's not. It's not MFF. He's talking about the Funded Features Network. Sorry, not Funded Features Network. Funded Next Features. God, all these names are like all the same to me now. Well, fuck me, man. The market found a way to get a bounce, right? And I did not see that coming. I did not see that bounce, guys. I was looking at somewhere else. I was looking at the chat, and then all of a sudden, the market ends up getting a bounce. Team Phony, Yola. Do you have any funded accounts that's trading drawdown? Of course, yeah. The Apex accounts are all trading drawdown.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right. I just need $100 more, guys, to just to make sure I'm in that within that consistency. Okay, we're pulling back here, guys. We had a retest into the VWAP. We got a little bit of a rejection. I mean, that doesn't mean that we can't get a bounce. Just gotta stay caution, of course. Oh, can I request a payout? Real estate banker where you have a frog in your... I'm sorry, man. I had a little trouble. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry. All right, I'm requesting a payout, guys, with Take Profit Trader. I just got an email. Sorry, not an email, but withdrawal are temporarily unavailable due to scheduled broker maintenance. What? Oh my God, guys! I cannot request a payout. You gotta be kidding, guys. Daily system update. Withdrawals are temporarily unavailable. La 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 la. All right, bula bula, guys. I cannot request a payout. Incredible. I can't. Yeah, I heard Team Phony, which is great. So they're not doing manual reviews anymore, which is fantastic, guys. I mean, awesome. Because that's really what it's supposed to be anyways, to begin with. And we're kind of getting that now, so which is great. I'm happy, grateful. Okay, so that's a little bounce we're getting here at the moment. Do I kind of feel confident about this bounce? Man, maybe, yeah. Maybe I should get out of this trade. Looks like a little bounce. A little more of a bounce, and we may try to get here, guys. I may try to exit this trade right here, right now.
Order.
Or exit that trade.
Filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Submitted.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order submitted. Order. Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Wow. Wow.
Order.
Order filled.
Oh, man. Absolutely getting destroyed. Definitely came as a little surprise to me here. Again. What a chop. What a chop, guys. I'm out of this
Order
trade.
filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
Order filled.
I mean, you're getting 100 points up and down during Asia. Well, I don't know.
Order. 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 Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Oh my
Order
god.
filled.
Everyone, like, really amazing price action.
Order.
Order filled.
Order. Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Submit. Order. Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order submitted.
What's going on with my
Order
chart?
submitted.
Why are you doing that to me?
Order.
Order
filled.
filled.
Order submitted.
Am I off? Am I offline? I don't think so. Am I really? Guys, funds transferred. Oh wow. Funds already transferred. Look at that. Instant, guys. Instant. Oh, yes, sir. There we go. Oh no. What
filled.
a massive. Wow, crazy stuff, man. Like, I'm down hot. Like,
Order
this is
filled.
exactly what happened to my pro. Down, red and green, red and green and red and green and red. And it's just going all day. And it's like, at some point, we're going to find an equilibrium. And be back in green. But I mean, that's going to be a pretty, not a fun journey. So they've, guys, man, they've already taken the money out of my account. So I'm down to 26,500, guys. Should I be trading this bad boy right now? We'll try to do that.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
I could be on the wrong side, yeah. I could definitely be on the wrong side here.
Order
I guess
filled.
Alex that
filled.
trade. Just kind of feels like we are trying to pop here, guys. Just kind of feels like we're trying to pop. Overall, it just kind of feels like we're trying to pop, but I want to be careful. I want to be careful. Wow, crazy balance. I mean, just I don't even know what to tell you, man. This is just I don't even know, guys. I think this is probably the time to just kind of step aside and just let it do its thing, because it's just such a wild swings that we're getting here. And it's not going to be okay if you try to step into this little moves it's trying to make. Oh, fuck.
Order.
Order filled. Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order.
Order filled.
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 Oh, it's
Order.
hard.
Order
It's
filled.
hard to trade this, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just really hard to trade this. So Lilia, after the fourth payout, so you got to get to the fifth payout. You got to get to the fifth payout to go ahead and get to the live account. But I mean, if you've not really taken a lot of payouts with them, and you get like you have one account that's kind of pretty close to fifth payout, you know, you want to put that on the sideline and try to trade other accounts, kind of build through others, and get to a certain level of payouts. Usually, they would, well, depends, I guess. It really depends. Yeah. But I would rather try to go with 4 live account, right? Instead of trying to go with 1. you're gonna be kind of losing that whole entire month of trading if you just have one account and you just you get to the fit payout on one single account and you get to the live account. I don't know. I would rather just try to go with just build another 3 or 4 accounts with it and just go side by side and then go live thereafter, right? But you're gonna have to have at least one payout to kind of move that to live to begin with. So
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order.
Order filled.
Order
Order
submitted.
filled.
oh man, this is just constant bounce of the support area. Yeah, better not mess with this. Better not mess with this right now. It just kind of looks a little murky. We could go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it off
Order.
there.
Order filled.
I don't know. I just kind of feel like I'm missing out the whole move. Like it's constantly getting a bounce off the low, and I'm trying to short and kind of missing out the whole entire move. Like we've already had like 140 points move to the upside already. It's good to be multiple payouts from one account. It's not good getting. Well, it's not that it's not good. I mean, it's always good, right? Getting a payout is always a good thing. But if your whole intention is to try to go to live account with listed, then you want to have more than one account. Crazy, man. I just literally missed out the whole entire move. Oh my god. Gotta be kidding, guys. What a bounce. I mean, this is as silly as it gets. Asia making the move. Asia has been the leader of making all the surprise moves, right? And then and New York kind of comes in to destroy everybody. I think that's really what it is. Asia gives you this bit of a false hope, and then I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm down. I'm down here. I'm down there. Like crazy stuff, man. I'm down everywhere right now. I'm down everywhere. Now, if I try to long, of course, you're gonna get a pullback. Of course, and that's always how it's been. I'm scared to even short right at the stop, guys, because we are going to get some impulsive move if we keep holding, right? Yeah, I think take profit trader 25k really makes sense. I mean, honestly, if it was me and I'm kind of struggling to get payouts, I would not try to overwhelm myself like different firms, different accounts. Just make it simple, like your target's to get some payouts, right? And so if that is the case, then try to go a little slow, calm down, slow, take it easy in your trading journey. Take step one step at a time. And maybe just go with Take Profit Trader 25k account. And if you are okay to kind of play with $1,000 of drawdown on a 25k, then maybe try listed, or I don't know. And there's got to be some other firms that I don't know that maybe pretty decent as well. Like somebody mentioned Blue Sky as well, right? So, and you also have My Funded Futures, of course. I don't know what accounts they have. I don't trade My Funded Futures. It's hard to say, but I mean. you know. But I kind of feel like the 25K account, in particular, the 25K accounts, just kind of feel like Take Profit Trader is right in the sweet spot, you know, with that $1,500 drawdown. But the key here is to get above the buffer, right? You have to get above the buffer in order to that account, the funded account, the pro, to get static, right? The whole ultimate goal is to be static. Because if you are kind of floating in that trading drawdown, you want to get above the buffer and make it a static account, and there it's going to be golden. The key is to get above the buffer, I think. And once you get above the buffer, and that's something it's easier to do with the 25K account, because that's the account that's got $1,500, right? You got some room, even though it's a 25K account, you definitely got that wiggle room to get yourself, take a stab, and you know, get above the buffer. Because in order to get above the buffer, you just need $1,500, right? So, you know, see, if you just really think about it, guys, there's so many times where you use 50K account on Take Profit Trader, and you get so close to buffer. You get so close to buffer, guys. That $2,000 buffer, right, on a 50K, and then you end up blowing that account, right? So the 25K gives you that $1,500 of the buffer that you can kind of work with to speed up the process of getting into the buffer, right? So, and then get your, you know, even if it's gonna be $50, you get that first payout, $50. Have a feel, you know, just kind of feel how the payout kind of feels, right? What am I saying? Kind of feel like how payout feels? What the hell was that English? Holy. You got to know how it feels to have that payout, you know what I mean? So even if it's got to be $50, just go get it. And 25K account may try to make it happen for you. It could be the right account size. That gives you the higher probability. You may lose that account because it's got a smaller DD compared to the 50K. But don't be too disappointed. You know, you're gonna have a couple other backup accounts to kind of work with as well. So if you lose that account pro, move on to the next. You know what I mean? And don't be too disappointed. The last thing you want to do as a trader, guys, I mean, don't be too disappointed just because you lose an account, right? Chin up, be strong, and have confidence. Even though you're, you know, getting into a lot of losing trade, have the confidence and just remind yourself that you're a great trader every single day. Remind yourself, and don't let losers affect you in trading, right? It's between you and yourself, right? It's a zero-sum game. It's between you and yourself, and have the confidence and say to yourself, I'm a great trader every single day. And use all the tools that we have in YouTube, guys. I mean, don't try to chase those courses. You know, today only, limited time, 99% off. Like my course is only what? My course is 99% offer, 99% limited time offer every single day. Well, it used to be a $20,000 account. $20,000 course, but we get a 99% off every single day. So that brings it down to like $250. That's come on, guys. It's only 99%. Crazy. But the RRSP, not RRSP. What am I saying? That's the what do you call this? The market price on that is 20,000. So the 99% brings it down to 250, right? On that course. But anyway, putting jokes aside, well, not a great joke anyways, but I mean, courses, you know, don't look to buy courses. Go get contents out there in the market. There's so many contents out there for free. Stop wasting your time trying to learn how to get payouts. Oh, it's 99.99. Oh, I'm sorry, man. Trader's Nest. I thought it was 99%. Well, I got it wrong. Sorry. Well, the market's kind of dead now. I mean, this is really incredible. What a frustrating, a bit of a frustration. Honestly, I'm not really down as much. I lost one account here because I'm only been trading take profit trader, right? So I'm down one account there. And then I'm red $88. I'm red 133 on the pro account after getting the payout. But I missed out on the whole entire move. So this is where I'm kind of like, you know, as a trader, we get a little annoyed and frustrated sometimes, is that we miss on the moves like this. We miss on a move on like this. And we miss a big move on stuff like this. So how many opportunities do we have? And we literally got shaken out playing that small little trades and getting chopped out, getting a little nervous of oversizing, and getting a little nervous of getting chopped in that trade. And then you're literally missing out on this whole entire move. That was a bigger picture story. You know, it was a classic example of things that you shouldn't do, and I did that today. Luckily, though, on a good note, the luckily is that I'm only down on one account, right? So I'm down about a few $100s across some other accounts as well here, but I'm only down one account. I lost one account. The way I was trading here today, I should have been down, like, I should have lost like 3-4 accounts, I'll be honest. But I've only lost one, and I'm red in a couple others, which, is it great? Well, it's not, but I mean, it could have been a lot worse, you know what I mean? So I'm going to stay positive and look for another stab, because this opportunities are going to come. It's going to keep coming here, guys. It's here to stay. We got another 24 hours to go. We're not, well, like, we got 12 more hours to go into the New York cash. So we definitely do have a lot of chance to try to grab a piece of the pie. Definitely do. Real Estate Vancouver, exactly. Over the years, I've taken so many courses. Nowadays, YouTube has so many free and good contents. Exactly, Real Estate. Tiger, you mentioned, yeah, that's right. 99% off zero is still zero. Listed as no buffer, but minimum $500 drawdown, so you will need at least $1,000 to withdraw. Yeah, Crypto Soul Child is right. So you don't have something called buffer on the listed account. But you're going to have to make, like, if it's a 50K account, you're going to have to make $100 every single day. Nice, let's go. Which bro? Oh, just to right. You gotta take profit trader account. Let's go, man. Let's go. Amazing. So yeah, so take profit trader. You said, everybody said about they've updated the way they process now. It's automated, right? So every time you request a payout, it's automatically withdrawn. Sorry, the balance, the profits taken out of your account immediately, and that's exactly what happened here with me. I'm grateful.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just kind of feels like it's trying to get a bounce.
Order submitted.
I may be trying to do something stupid here, to be honest. I just kind of feel like, what am I trying to do? What am I trying to achieve here?
Order filled.
Am I trying to achieve a pullback here? Which obviously is not the case. I don't know if that's really going to be what it is. I think we've got more room to the upside here in the market. So probability of this market trying to get a bounce is probably higher. And I'm trying to short this market. Trying to look for that quick little scoop, a pullback into the 840. Like, I don't understand. Like, I don't know what the hell. I'm going to have to try to get out of this trade on that little pullback if we get. But I just don't like the way the trend is to the upside right now. The trend is to the upside, even though we're kind of overextended to the upside here. Even then, I probably should try to long on a pullback, right? So let's see if I get a little lucky here. See if we get a little pullback here. Maybe give me a chance to get out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
And try to
Order filled.
reassess the situation and try to reload.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Okay, so there we go, guys. I exited that trade. I had a chance to get out of the trade, so I did. And just kind of feels like we're a little extended to the upside. Just kind of feels that way. We could see that pullback, but I would rather try to long on a pullback here until we break the structure. And the next level of support's got to be... Next level of support's got to be 820. So I'm going to be looking for the 820 pullback into. And maybe look for that to be a... ARC 2974, you are getting smoked in July. Can't seem to get anything better. So are you usually trading in the mornings? Is that really what it is? I mean, I did get quite a few DMs as well myself. I'm not going to quote the names, but yeah, I do see a lot of traders kind of struggling the month of July. Luckily, I've not been pretty active trading in the morning, so I kind of got a little protected in a way. So I guess one of the better things to do is just maybe stay away for a little bit, you know what I mean? Or maybe trade slow, but hey, only if we can control our trading. I don't even know what to make out, guys. I just kind of feel like we're overextended, but trying to go long just kind of feels like I'm buying the top, and trying to short just kind of feels like I'm going against the trend, which overall just kind of seems like bullish, right? So we could get a big pop in the market, which obviously is not going to be bueno, right? So I think it's going to go back to the open. We could. I mean, I think it's gonna give us a little bit of a surprise in the market, guys, and maybe not now. Maybe guess what? Every time I end the stream, that's what happens, right? You guys know the drill. Every time I end the stream, something moves pretty hard. Every single time we try to move. Every time we try to end the stream, that's when the market moves. So if you want a market move, if you want to see the market move, I've got to end the stream, which obviously I am not going to allow this market to move. I want to be in the game. I want to get a little piece of that move. So I'm going to have to be here with everybody. MMQ8, what's going on, man? Tiger, does it update your balance right away? Yes, right away. I requested like 20 minutes ago, and instantly the balance got changed. That's why I got trade. That's why I ended up trading. Right? Sometimes it's good. Maybe it's a good thing. Maybe it doesn't get updated pretty quickly, right? So because if you trade that account instantly because you get it approved and the balance is out of your account, you end up trading that account immediately, and then you end up blowing that account. That does happen time to time. I'll be honest. Maybe it's a good idea. Sometimes maybe it's better they approve much later. It's not a bad thing. You really think about it, guys. Really think about it. Have we lost accounts? Have we lost accounts in the past where we get approved immediately, or we move from the evaluation account to the funded stage account immediately? Because some of these firms allow you to kind of upgrade your account instantly once you pass, and you end up blowing at the very same time. Or let's say payout approvals get done, and then you trade that account immediately, and then you end up blowing that account too. So maybe sometimes, I'm telling you, maybe this could be a little bit of a trap where it's like you get approved immediately and you end up blowing that account too. Crazy, man. Large fair value gaps. Yeah. What time frame are you trading on? I'm trading on a 1 minute chart on the right hand side, and I've got a 30 minutes chart on the left hand side. I'm trading on both side by side right now. And well, I cannot. Well, this is what I said. I cannot long here because we're overstretched to the upside. That doesn't mean that we cannot get a bounce, but I mean the, you know what I mean. The risk reward is not there at the moment, and if you're trying to get into this trade with your pro account, you're kind of making a little mistake. Yeah, if I end up losing some Apex accounts, the funded accounts, because I hate DLLs, I probably would move some accounts to the 150s, right? The 150s. I'm gonna try to do that because it's the same price on the activation front. So you're paying the same $59, whether it's 50K or whether it's 150. You're paying the same price, and you're only paying an extra $20 more to trade the 150s on an evaluation stage. So it's kind of like you're paying $20 extra. Like I would, yeah, I mean, this could be the time for me to try to maybe shift some of my accounts to the 150s. I'm going to try to do that. I'm going to try to do that, right? It's only $20 extra you're paying. So I think it kind of makes sense. Oh, yeah, and I've got to request a payout as well right now, guys. 1 second. Is it ending today, tomorrow? Oh, let me find out, guys. 1 second. And the market kind of chopping here. It's well, this market has been a bit annoying here today, but hey. It ends on Tuesday. Oh, it ends today. Oh no, guys. So Apex promo ends today. Crazy. Yeah, it ends today. No, I wasn't talking about Legend. I was talking about Apex. Yeah, I'm not even paying attention to Legend. But oh, 21st is tomorrow? Oh, I see. Okay. We got a bit of a different time zone right now, so I'm getting really confused myself. Sorry about that. Oh no, I cannot still request a payout. Oh guys, we get a little Mujo pullback here. I don't know, man. I do not want to be shorting this right here. Just kind of feels like a little trap. You know what I mean? Just a little trap. It ends tomorrow? Yeah, that's right. Oh.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order filled.
I'm really trying to be patient, guys. But hey, I'm trying to test the water too. I'm gonna get out of the
Order
trade.
filled.
I'm gonna get out of the trade.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Shit.
Order
God,
canceled.
man. Well, I couldn't get that going, guys. Unfortunately, I tried, but look at that. Look at that. That's a 20 points bounce right off the bat, and that's exactly what we're kind of getting here. Yeah, with the Apex, honestly, I mean, you're only paying so much, right, for accounts per accounts. So let's say even if you have like 10 accounts, and if you end up getting one payout, that one payout is gonna pay for everything else. So have the confidence in trading those accounts, with especially the Apex accounts, right? Don't be afraid to take a stab. Because if you load in 20 accounts, it's only gonna cost you so much, but like at least you're gonna have 3 or 4 accounts that gets above the buffer, and those are the ones that's gonna pay you. Plus, on top of that, it's gonna get you back to a lot of, like, pretty much a big net green. So yes, they have a buffer on the Apex accounts. They you gotta get above. I think you gotta get above 45. I think you gotta get above $4,500 on a 150K account to request a payout. Start to get a request a payout. But once you get above 45, that's a lot of buffer you have on that account. So look at the gold. Oh, what a nasty looking chart. I'm definitely using the wrong one, I guess. Here we go. Wow. Well, yeah, that's actually a pretty good bounce that we're getting here in the gold. Yeah. Yeah, I wouldn't want to touch this though. Okay, guys, so we got a new 30 minutes candle here. A new 30 minutes candle. Let's see what this brings to the table, guys. Watch it test the low. Festival Siri, what's going on, brother, man? Welcome. Great to see you back again, guys. Okay, so the market trying to get a pullback here. Maybe I should have got into that trade, to be honest. It's a little too late now. A little too late to the party. The last thing I want to do is chase the trade with a funded account. That's really the last thing I want to try to do. Yeah, I still can't forget what Realistic Vancouver said. Is there something in your throat? Do you have a frog in your throat, man? That was funny. Well, that's sarcasm. Thank you. Trota Capatura. All right. Oh, I mean, I have no idea what this market is trying to do, man. Honestly, we got a bit of a bounce off that 830. Just every time it looks bullish, I mean, the market starts to tank, and I don't know. Wow, look at that bounce, guys. Look at that bounce. This is exactly what I was talking about. Something I've got to be a little careful about.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm holding the last three piece, guys. I
Order
went long,
submitted.
guys. On that trade, I went long. And this is on a pro account, guys. On a pro account.
Order submitted.
Two last piece.
Order canceled.
Oh,
Order submitted.
no.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Do not tell me you're going to give us a pullback here. I moved my stop to break even. You've got to be kidding. Like, it really has to happen.
Order
Oh,
filled.
Stop filled.
Huh. Yeah, you're right. The market's trappy. It's really trying to trap everybody out. Is really trying to trap everybody out. I'm gonna have to agree to that statement. Angel, what's going on, brother? Welcome. Welcome to the fam. And welcome everybody who are new to the stream. By the way, guys, we go live every single night, just so you know. We go live, Globex ASIA every single night. And love to see you guys every single day. Yeah, I listen all the time. Yeah, this price action is really horrible, guys. Really horrible. I don't even know what to make out of this. Is the camera frozen? No, I don't think so. Well, we probably have a chance to get to 29 now, guys, really. I think at this point. Oh, what a solid bounce, guys, man. But that solid bounce was not sort of a smooth, solid bounce. The market really had to find a way to really take everybody out of the system before getting that attempt to bounce. Wow. Oh, just not sure, to be honest. Things are kind of murky. Well, it's fine. It could have been a great day, like on a hindsight, but you know, this kind of moves that it was making, it was just a little bit too much. A little bit too much of volatility beyond my expectation. I wasn't expecting this sort of a moves, because, you know, see, this is the problem, right? When you started the day, you know, we kind of said, okay, well, it's really slow, and this is exactly what we had here, right? And it was really, really slow. And we're kind of like, okay, well, I think it's going to be a slow day. And then guess what happens? When you get this sort of move, it's tough, you know, to try to digest this sort of moves and try to play the trades accordingly. It's going to be tough, right? It's going to be tough to do that, you know. When you get this sort of volatility right after this, you know, 10 points chop, I mean, it catches everybody off guard. But we did make some calls. Of course, my execution was just not there. But I mean, we did make some calls on how it's going to be. And I kind of feel like it worked out the way I thought it's going to. So, but at least, as long as you know what you're doing, I guess it's fine. It just kind of feels a little bad. The Joker straights in the house. What's up, brother, man? What's up? Bit here, 920. I think we pulled back to 800, push back to 910, then down to 770. We should get, I mean, overall, what do you think where this market's gonna go? But look at that, guys. That's a huge little really think about it, guys. That's a 200, well, that's a good 200 points, 250 points, guys. Up, down. This is moves that you normally see during the day, not during Asia, guys, and we're getting that right here. So crazy stuff, right? Crazy stuff. No short unless we get a big pop. Well, So now it's kind of chopping. So chopping hard, by the way. Am I getting a little screwed up with the network? You guys not able to hear me? Let's go. Let's go. Just the right. Booyah goa. Yeah, lots and lots of chops right now. Pretty incredible. I think my network just went off here for a second. I don't know if you guys are back, but I think it kind of went off. Did it? Yeah, I don't think I can trade this price action, to be honest. I think you try to play the chop. I think that's where we start to make a lot of mistakes. Yeah, it's a little too choppy, to be honest. I don't think this could be a good place to be trading at this level, even though we kind of feel like, you know, we could try to kiss. I think the market may try to see. I just bought some. Oh, real estate Vancouver 150s. Is the 150s cheap? I don't know. Well, thanks for using my code, but I mean, 150s, is that good accounts to trade to be trading in? I don't know. Let me just take a look and see. Is the activation all the same though? Is the activations all the same? Anyways, oh man, this market is really making me feel tricky booey. What about the activation on the 150s? I don't know. I cannot remember exactly how much it was, but if it's still 75 on the activation for the 150s. Oh, it's 110. Oh, it's 149 the activation, or 110. I'm not sure. The market has been so overreactive. Guys, don't forget Apex 90% off ends I think today or tomorrow. One of these days, today or tomorrow, depending on where you live in. But yeah, FYI. Apex 150s are activation 49. Sorry, 50. Oh, I lied. I think it's 59. I think it's 59 on a 150k account too. So thanks for using the code Tiger. Real estate Vancouver. Let's go. Yeah, I think for the 25k so far, it just kind of feels like the 25k stake profit trader is the leader at the moment. It's really working out nicely. And for 150s, I kind of feel like Apex is the way to go, including the 50ks, believe it or not. And then I don't know, the 25 and the listeds are obviously the same still so far. So you got this 40% off, up to 5 accounts per user, and it goes back down to 30%. You get a bundle discount as well, so. Apex 90% will still go out of business. Let's go, Sinister Scalper. Well, yeah, well, you know, I mean, it's been. With this competition that we have in this prop firm space, guys, there's a lot of competition, lots and lots of competition, and as a traders, we're all getting better every day. I'm not sure real estate Vancouver. I don't think so. But yeah, I'm not sure about that. But again, there's just so much of competition, right? So more competition, the traders are getting better every day, right? Traders are getting it better every day. And I've noticed that. I've noticed that traders are getting better. Whether we believe it or not, I think traders are getting better every day, even though we have a lot of struggling traders. But I do see a lot of traders getting better every day and getting a lot of payouts as well. I've seen that many times. And the more we progress, I think the more I started to see a lot of traders finally starting to shine. And I've seen that, guys. I think we're finding ways to get payouts. A lot of us. ARC, you're tired of evaluation accounts, just trying to fund the accounts. I mean, ARC 2974, if you cannot get through the evaluation stage, you're not going to go much further with the funded accounts, I'll be honest. So I'm going to have to be very honest to you. It's going to cost you a lot more to go straight to the funded accounts. But if you are tired and if you cannot get through that evaluation stage, then what's the point in trying to go to the direct to funded accounts or to the funded accounts or resetting funded accounts for that matter? You guys know I don't reset any of my funded accounts. I don't do that, even though a lot of these firms, they allow you to do that. I don't pay $1 to reset any of my funded accounts. I don't do that. If I keep failing, I'm gonna have to pay a price, guys. I'm gonna have to pay a price to go back to the eval stage and just reset myself, right? And remind myself I've got to get better at it if I do not want to keep going back to my eval stage all the freaking time, right? It's your precious money. It's a hard-earned money. So be careful on how you spend, right? I mean, if it's me, you're going to have to do the math every single time and kind of, you know, do a bit of a reality check on where you're at, right? If you kind of feel like you're constantly losing a battle trying to get to the funded stage, if you're constantly struggling to do that every single month and it's been over 5 months, 6 months, 7 months, I think it's time to go back to demo. Do not be spending $1 into any of these accounts. Prove it to yourself using the demo account or the cheapest account you can ever get in this prop firm space. Maybe a 25K account or maybe a $10,000 account. That's going to cost you about $10. You know, I mean, it's kind of worth it spending $10. Better than a demo account, I guess, but $10, I think it's kind of worth it. I think there's a 10K account. I think it's a Phidias account. I think Phidias account offers you the 10K, and I think even Blue Sky offers you 10K if I'm not wrong. I'm not sure. I don't honestly. Yeah, I wouldn't even touch 10K. I'll just say, you know, giving 10K as an example because I was looking for the cheaper accounts. But you know, you could use the 25K. Yeah, I mean, you know. What other accounts do you have that could maybe cost you about a little less than $10? There's got to be something out there that's going to cost you $10, right? And just use it. Assume that you've lost the $10, but you got to prove it to yourself. You got to prove it. And this is no easy, the easy way to get funded and no easy way to get payouts. Funded is a pressure. That's right. I mean, that's, you know, that's with everybody, right? We pass evals every single day. You know, I mean, I use my feet to pass an eval. No pressure at all. I agree. But when you get to the funded stage, that's when the real business, the real pressure kind of starts to kick in. But you know what the thing is though? I mean, once you get comfortable with the funded accounts, you're gonna feel the same the way you kind of feel like it's an eval account. At some point, you're gonna be like, you know, even if you lose a funded account, it doesn't really matter. And that's when I think you're gonna start to shine, because that's when unnecessary pressures are gonna stay away. We all are same, you know. Whether it doesn't matter what I say, it doesn't matter what other people say. I think we all are the same. We all looking at the same chart. We all have the same skill set to be a good trader. It's just our, you know, I think it's all mental and it's all psychology, right? It's just a matter of, you know, what am I looking for today? You know, I've got a pro account, and if I'm looking for $1,000 to make, then I'm gonna end up blowing this account whether I like it or not. Some other trader is gonna be like, a trader B is gonna be like, okay, well, I want to make $10 today on that pro account. Then I think you could easily make that $10 using one micro and kind of walk away every single day. $10 that gets you $300-400 in a month from today. If that's how you want to be, you know, you're probably gonna keep that account for much longer than I am. So it really depends. It's all up here. I think it's all up here, guys. But we're all same traders. We all good traders. You know, we all look at the same charts. Joker Straits have 30 funded accounts. Let's go, man. Average about $5,000 per week. Wow. Yeah, I mean, yeah, you definitely do need some big bulge. Big bulge. You definitely do need that. I don't have, well, I don't know. I don't have the big bulge to hold, to do stuff like that. Trade all accounts at the same time with one micro. Well, what I could try, but yeah, I don't think I'm in the same ball game as you are for sure. Yeah, that's a lot of pressure. I'm gonna start to lose a lot of my hair. At some point, you guys are gonna see no hair StockTiger. Bold StockTiger, I think that's where you guys are gonna start to see it. That's a problem, right? I need to keep my hair going. Oh, no copy trading? That's crazy, man. How the heck do you do that? Maybe failing is a trade one evaluation funded account. Oh, I mean, yeah, so... Well... I told you guys, the listed 25k account, the funded accounts that I was trading, I lost all of them at once because I was copy trading. I tried, but you got a different kind of pressure, and I just have to kind of familiarize myself to try to copy trade my accounts, but I just can't do that. Every time I copy trade, my mental just kind of get a little whacked, right? And it's no longer StockTiger anymore. Just kind of feel like a different person every time I copy trade like 4 or 5 accounts at a time on a funded account, of course. Yeah, on an eval, it doesn't really matter, but I mean, the funded account. Oh, you lost a lot of good trading. Yeah, I know. Real estate Vancouver, it does. It does. About 15 accounts that are above the buffer. Nice, man. Hey, bro. I wish you keep that account for as long as you can. Joker Straits. I think you're doing a fantastic job right now, man. Man, if you're able to do that, yeah, you've definitely proven yourself to be a really great trader, man. Good job. I'm happy. I'm very happy for you, bro. I'm very happy for you. Okay, I guess I don't know what this market's gonna do. I think it's kind of chopping. I think it's not gonna do anything at this point. Now that Tokyo is kind of behind us and we're kind of getting to the late night show. I don't know if this market is going to try to move. It may try to move once I'm done the stream, guys. You know that. We've seen this plenty of times over and over again. This market starts to move every time I end the stream. We may see that right now, guys. Get ready. Get ready to move your mouse. You lost them all every time you copy trade? I know. I mean, and everybody has different sort of mentality, right? Different mental, the mental strength, if you will. Mental strength is different with every single traders. I definitely do not have the balls to try to copy trade all accounts at the same time. It's crazy. Guys, how do I sound today? Am I okay? You guys think I've got to make a little tweak to my mic, or you guys think it's okay? Yeah, the market is very choppy here, guys. I don't think I'm going to be able to trade from here for sure, because I think the more I trade, I think I'm going to be in trouble. So no copy trading. Oh, let's go. Booyah. Oh, thank you so much, brother. Well, I try to be positive, but I try to be positive all the time. I try, because I think that's sort of a catalyst to kind of either, make me, stay in this game a little longer, right? Because the more you try to get upset and get angry, the more you're going to get into bad trades, and of course, it's not going to end well, right? And this journey is not a one-day journey. You have to think about how long you want to be holding on to your trades, well, not your trades, how long you want to be holding on to your trading journey. You're trying to be consistent. You're trying to be a disciplined trader, not for a day. You're trying to be consistent throughout the year, right? So throughout the year for many years to come. And that's why I try my level best to try to smile, put a little smile on my face, always try to smile and try to stay positive, because if not, then yeah, it's going to be tough. You're gonna make a lot of silly stuff, do a lot of silly stuff along the way. If you. But I've definitely come across, myself. I realized that putting a little smile on your face and trying to stay positive, it does really help, right? And so maybe try. Even if you get into bad trades, even if you get into a lot of silly trades, be angry, but be angry for 5 minutes and that's it. If you try to carry on, that's a little problem. My internet keeps cutting out, really? Definitely very unstable right now. And so I'm going to have to move. We'll see you guys back during the London session if I can. If not, we'll see you guys back at the same time tomorrow, Globex Asia at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. I hope y'all had a fun night with StockTiger. I hope it's okay. I got into some couple of bad trades. I'm sorry if I offended anybody here tonight. Real Estate Vancouver, thanks for being here, brother. Raj Tis in the house, what's up? Everybody, thank you so much for being here today, man. I really appreciate it, guys, every single day. Your support to this channel every single day truly means the world, and I want to thank you guys one by one for doing that, always being here with us. Even though I get into a lot of bad trades, I thank you for your support to the channel, guys. We'll see you guys back tomorrow at the same time, 5:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Until then, everyone have a great rest of the day. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Love you guys. God bless. Thank you so much to all of you. See ya, amigos, everyone. Take care and goodbye.